All right, boys and girls, let's try another one. For our next problem, we're going to subtract 52 hundredths from 1 and 37 hundredths. Okay, so again, we're going to only model the first number, which is 1 and 37 hundredths. All right, I need one whole, so I'm going to grab one of these blue tiles here. I need 3/10ths, so I'm going to drag over 3 of these skinnies. 2, 3. Alrighty, and then I need 7 of my hundredths, which are these red round circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I try to keep them organized in groups of 5 just so that it's easier for me to know what I'm looking at in a quick row. All right, now that I've modeled the first number, I'm now ready to subtract my 52 hundredths. We're going to start in the smallest place value, and that is the hundredths place. I need to subtract 2, and there are 7 here, so I'm able to do that without regrouping. I'm just going to, again, use that shortcut, and I'm just going to delete those 200th markers tiles. All right, done. Now I'm going to go over to my tenths place, and I'm going to try to remove 5, but I notice that there's only 3 here, which means that I can't take 5 from 3, which means I need to go to the ones place and I need to borrow 1. So I'm going to borrow 1, physically going to drag it over, but again, it's not in the same format. So I want to take my 1 and I want to break it up into tens. Now, if you remember watching the video on slide number 3, it takes 10 of these tenths skinnies to make one whole. Okay, so I'm going to slide over 10 of these to make up for the one hole that I borrowed. I'm not going to continue to drag over 10 of these. I'm going to use a shortcut, guys. And if you know control, right, you guys know control copy is control C, and then to paste is control V. So I'm just going to control V. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. Cut that. I don't need that. I'm going to copy. See right here, boys and girls, control copy is C. And if I want to paste more, it's control V. So I need 10 of them. So there's the second one. If I do it again, there's the third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Just want to make sure that there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to continue with my next row. I'm going to get rid of the blue tile. So I'm just going to keep going. I need 5 more. 5 more of these. Okay. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's the 10 that I just borrowed. Now I need to go and I need to subtract 5 of those. So I'm going to just cut them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now what's left is, now I'm ready to do my answer. I have 5/10ths, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8/10ths. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundredths. And I have 0 ones. So I'm going to type my answer. I have 0 ones, decimal. I have 8/10ths, and I have 5 ones. So when I subtract 52 hundredths from 1 and 37 hundredths, my answer is 85 hundredths.